Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to put together a festive ham and cheese sandwich. This one would be great for your next party. Let's go. So here I have my favorite mustard sauce that I like to use with my ham and cheese sandwiches. And this is the most challenging part, getting them into these pipettes. They make such a beautiful little display. So you want to take your time and you want to squeeze your pipette and let that mustard sauce come up in there slowly. And you can take it and you can thump it down, return it back to the sauce, and let it fill up. And that is it. To make your sandwiches, you're going to need a pack of Hawaiian Rolls. And we're going to take a serrated knife and we're going to cut the edges off of each side so that our sandwiches can have a beautiful display. Now you want to cut your Hawaiian rolls in half. You're going to remove your top half and we're just going to layer this with ham and cheese. Make sure you get a good ham and get it from the deli side. Those make great sandwiches. If you guys are enjoying this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. We're going to go ahead and return our top back to our sandwiches, and we're going to go ahead and get those all separated. Guys, these little sandwiches are perfect. They are perfect for any time. And not just for parties. They can be for school lunches. They can be for work lunches. They are so quick and easy to put together. Now we're just going to take our pipettes loaded with our mustard sauce and we're going to put those in the center of each one of our sandwiches. Your guests can choose to use the mustard sauce on their sandwiches or not, and it also keeps your sandwiches from getting soggy. That's a great little tip. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, remember to keep life simple, and we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.